Hi guys, this is Faithful with Elegance for Less. I am going to do a DIY for you. This is a wall decor DIY. Now what you're going to need for this DIY is 4 of these Dollar Tree garden trellis. They basically, you put in your garden to run your vines on. So you will need a mirror. You will need 2 pieces of cardboard, and I went ahead and cut them out already. I am using just the free piece of cardboard this time, only because I wanted it a little bit thicker, and oftentimes I use the Dollar Tree cardboards, but they're thinner. I wanted something a little bit more sturdy. So you're gonna need your glue gun, definitely, glue sticks, your scissors. You also need, if you want to use wire cutter, I actually went ahead and broke off 3 of them already because we want to break them down to a shorter size. So basically what I did was bend it. Once you've got it bent, you're going to raise it back up. Once you raise it back up, it will automatically start to break off for you. Easy as that. Then you can discard the other part, or you can use it for another project. It's up to you. So, the dilemma that I have is, do I want to spray paint or do I want to keep it black? Now, I don't often do any project that is black, so I am thinking I may want to just leave it black. So I'm going to go ahead and start to arrange my trellis. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for watching. I am excited that you've chosen to watch this video, so I hope that you will like it and decide to become a subscriber. You can go ahead and hit that bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, just lay some glue down and be generous with your glue. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied the second cardboard, held it down tightly so that it's now secure. So what I want to do now is to take my mirror and I want to go ahead and add some glue. So guys, I decided I wanted to go ahead and add some of these gems, which you can haul from Hobby Lobby. They're $5.99, and you can also use a coupon on it. And so I'm thinking that would be perfect to add to this mirror, because I also want to disguise all the way around as well. But first I want to go around on the mirror. Lay my gems down. Make sure it's straight. And press. I definitely will need to cut this, so I'm going to get as close as I can to the other one. And guys, excuse my hand in the way. Okay, so now I've gotten that. I think I like that a lot. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. So guys, I wanted to bring you in to share that I'm using the thinner ones. I used the whiter one on the top, and I'm using the thinner one to cover the outside to make sure that every area is covered. So now it comes with the adhesive on it, so all you have to do is tug a bit and press. Okay guys, I love the way that this turned out. If you do, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you do like this, leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on it. It's simply elegant, inexpensive, and extremely easy to recreate. Thank you so much again, and I will see you on my next DIY.